Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to learn how to install Google Classroom application in mobile and at the same time how to log in into the application. Earlier in the video, we have already learned how to use Google Classroom in desktop or computer. But in this video, we will learn that how to use Google Classroom in mobile applications and at the same time how to change the initial password and join the class. So let's begin the session. First, you have to open the window of your Android device and you have to search the Google Play Store option. Here you can see the Google Play Store option. I am clicking on Google Play Store option. Here you have to search Google Classroom. Google Classroom. Now you can see it is developed by the Google LLC. You have to click on install. After clicking on install, you have to wait for times because it will take little bit more times because of 15 MB data. After being downloaded, you can open the application from this page and at the same time you can open this application from your home screen also. So let's wait for a few more moments. Now this application is already downloaded and it is being installed. After getting installed, you have to click on open option. So let me click in open option. Now you can see that your Google Classroom application is already started in the screen. So first of all you have to click on get started. Now you can see here your default ID is there whichever you are using here in this device, but for Google Classroom you have to go to the add account option. This is very much important point. You have to click on add account option and then click on OK. Now you will be asked to go through some security checkpoints as per the setting in your mobile device. Now here what you have to do, you have to paste the email ID, the G Suite ID which is provided to you by the schools. Let me show you what it is. You can see here, suppose I am going to create the ID of Akshita Singh, roll number 6. So you have to copy the entire G Suite ID and you have to paste here the entire G Suite ID. Now click on next. Now you can see that there is a welcome signal, but at the same time you are asked to enter your password. So the default password is password in small letter PASSWORD. This password is applicable for all the students. After typing the password, you will click on next. Now again another welcome message. You have to accept the term and condition of Google Classroom and finally click on accept option. After clicking on accept option, you are asked to change the password. So you can change your password here. For example, KVRPR2020. I am simply doing it on trial basis. KVRPR2020. You can create any password as per your convenience and you can change it also. In case your password did not match, you can try again also here. Now click on the next option. So now your ID is created. You have to accept the term and condition, and at the same time your password is also changed. I agree. After clicking on I agree, you will be directed to the Google service page, and at the same time your Google Classroom application will start automatically in the background. You can see here this application is being started. You have to go to your home page of mobile device. You do not need to open the Google Classroom application. Simply click on the Google Chrome browser. Here search for Google Classroom, and you can see the result here, the first page, Google Classroom. Click on it. Then you will be directed to login into your account. What you have to do, as already we have added the account of one student, we will move to that ID. Here you can see this is Akshita Singh. Click on this ID. After this, you will be directed to your Google Classroom page. Here you have to click on continue. Now you have to accept whether you are a teacher or student. As Akshita is a student, we will click on I am a student here. Now you can see here, you can see that you are already inside the Google Classroom applications. Now what you have to do, that you have to join your first class. You can see here the option is there, join your first class. As you are share the class code by your teacher, you have to click on this plus option. But remember one thing, that you have to join only your class code which is shared by your teacher. For example, for class 4th, what I have shared is, I am showing you code I have shared with 4th A. You can see here class code only for class 4th A. You have to copy this class code or type this passcode in that option. It is AYH743T. So this is applicable only for class 4th A. We are going to click on this plus option and type the class code. Ready? You can see here I have typed one class code which is provided by my teacher. Now click on join. After clicking on join, you have to wait for a few moments as you are being directed to join the class 4th A. Now you can see you are already in the class 4th A page. Here you can see the notice. Here one notice is there from your teacher Ajit Kumar Meher. Please join the class tomorrow at 9 AM. So here you can see the notice also. At the same time you can read different notice. Here you can see Ajit Kumar Meher posted a new assignment. If you will be assigned some work, you can see here in the upcoming. So you can click on the upcoming. This is the stay healthy tips assignment, and you have to write the answer. You can see here some of your students have already done this. You can see Sohani Sahu, he has completed. Yasraj Chandrakar, he has completed. So Chandamai, he has completed. Shivam Mishra, he has completed. So like this you can see the classwork of all the students. Now you have to create your own class word like this. So this way you can create the classroom, and you can use the other option also. This is your home page and this is your classroom. 4th A, and your class teacher is Ajit Kumar Meher. Like that, whichever class you are joining, your class teacher will be already there in that particular class. So for today, this is the introduction stage of joining into the Google Classroom. Thank you and have a nice day.